Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech, and this is the unboxing of the PARKSIDE Wire Stripper that seems to be a multi-use wire cutter, and its asking price is a really low cost one, and one can find it really easily at some specific selling points, and this is ideal for some professionals or some hobbyists for stripping down wires. So let's go and open this box and check this product closely. Man, this seal is a really tough one. So okay, it seems that we'll need a knife here. Okay, now let's go and open this box here, like that. So let's open this box and check what this cord stripper is all about. It seems that we only have this one in red and black, cord power stripper, and a manual, and there is nothing else in the box. So let's check the manual first. You can check all the specifications here in various languages, and check this one mostly for the capabilities it has for cutting off different wires and different lengths and sizes. It seems fairly simple to its use, so let's have a closer look here. As you can see, there is an internal blade. Here we can open it like that. One can insert here the cable, close it up, and strip its cable at its respective size, like that. It's a really lightweight plastic that makes it portable. One can carry it in a pocket. So this was the unboxing of the PARKSIDE Wire Stripper. Leave us a like, feel free to subscribe, and don't miss any of our other videos. And as always, from Tech, thank you for watching.